Okay. Sorry about that. I had to restart because I had a little bit of issue with the time. So we have a part two. All right, let's go back to what we were talking about. So we labeled this axis, the y-axis is labeled for different price amounts. We're going up by 80 as we mentioned, and our y-intercept is 120 bucks because that is the installation price. And let me do that in blue or something. So that's $120 right there in blue. And then every month in addition, we are adding on $80. So I remember I told you that this was 40 and each of these little increments is 40. So that two of those would be 80. So after 1 month, I get charged the 120 plus 80 more dollars. And then the second month I get charged another $80. So if I'm looking at my total fee that I'm paying to Verizon, I keep adding $80 a month. You see how that's working? And then let's see if we can get a straight line through that. Almost. I'm getting better, people. So then we see that, just goes up by 80. And so that is a linear representation of this equation or the situation. And finally, we're going to estimate the price of price a family would pay after 20 months with Verizon services. And when we have something like this, I think the text sometimes wants us to draw a graph and then see where we go. I think that since we came up with an equation, we're going to do better than estimating. We're actually going to calculate. So let me grab my black. So y is equal to 80 times x plus 120. And I'm going to do the math. So I'm looking for y when x is 20. So after 20 months, remember x referred to months. And then I'm going to add 120 onto that. So this is how much I would pay Verizon had we as a family chosen to go with them. So 80 times 20 is going to be 1,600, and then I'm going to add 120 onto that. And so at the end of 20 months, I would have paid Verizon $1,720 for internet service. I think the phone was included, but we decided no way. So there we go. All right, guys, I hope that this was good. I know it was a part two and you hate that. Here is your assignment. Please make sure you get some good work done, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.